to another edition of Flex Rental Solutions how-to videos. Today we're going to be going over the ability to hide specific columns or search results in the calendar and in a project's list page. Under System Settings and Security Groups, we have the ability to grant or deny permissions based for individuals who belong to groups. If I go to Shop Text and go to Permissions, there is a setting on whether a user can view what's called a sensitive search token or manage the search tokens. These search tokens are the data that we can pull from the database back and view in the system. As an example, if we go to our calendar page, we have configured this calendar page to view the total price of quotes. We have done that by hitting Edit. These are all the different search tokens that we're going to be displaying in this page. One of them is the total price, and the search token is element.totalprice.currency. If we go under System Settings and Sensitive Search Tokens, these are all the different search tokens that we can configure or parts of the database that we can return results of. If I scroll all the way down to element.totalprice, you'll notice that there are some recurring search tokens: element.totalprice.currency, currency without symbol, decimal. These are all different ways that when we return these results, how we want to format them in the column. What we've done here is we can mark these specific tokens as sensitive. Now, what happens is when you log in and go to the calendar, the system will check whether you have permission to view what is now deemed as a sensitive token. If it is allowed, then you will see it. If it is not allowed, it will not display it. We get the same functionality here if we go to, say, Projects and Quotes. We have organized this page to view the total also. Where we have organized that is by going to Projects, Project Elements. We're going to the Quote element, and there is a Search Options tab where we have configured all the different columns that we want to display and areas of data that we want to be able to query when we type in search fields. So let's log out as our system administrator and log in as a user who does not have those specific permissions. And let's see how the system responds based on those denied security permissions. We are going to log in as a user called permission. Put in the password. What you'll see here is now we no longer display the column called total for this user. If we go to Projects and Quotes, you'll notice that they do not have that column either. And then we have further defined what information we've told the system that they can view a quote, but when they go into the quote, there are certain views that they cannot see. So normally you will see what's called a working view, but we've marked that view as sensitive, and we've allowed them to see the logistical information in the change view, but anything with profit margin and pricing is not displayed. So that is how we can restrict the ability to view sensitive information within Flex Rental Solutions. I hope this gives you better insight into this new feature. If you have any questions, please contact support@flexrentalsolutions.com. Thanks.